Just dropped the whole 50, that's a cold turkey. All my bitches worthy, pulling up this derby. We be smoking 30s, we be low 30s. In the rain, call it Space Jam. Back then, I ain't give a damn.
Hey my beauties, it's Crissymarie here, and I'm coming to you all with a well-requested look. I actually uploaded some pictures on my Instagram, which will be in the description box below, as well as this eyebrow routine. It will be in the description box below. But I up some pictures on my Instagram, and yeah, everyone was like, why don't you do a tutorial on it? So I'm going to do a tutorial. This will be my second tutorial in 2019. I'm trying to do better this year, you guys. I have a lot of goals planned. Hopefully I accomplish them, but yeah, pray for me. So I'm going to just be taking the Morphe collab with Jaclyn Heel. This is one of the 4 eyeshadow palettes she has came out with since the biggest one, the big one. But this is Armed and, which one is this? Yeah, Armed and Gorgeous. So these are the colors I'm going to be taking. So yeah, let's get right into the video. I don't know if I'm looking at my thing so I can make sure that it's focused. So, okay, let's get right into the video. I'm going to take the first color, which will be my transition shade. I'm going to take this Agent, which is like a orange color. I'm going to take that as my transition shade with a fluffy brush. Alright, and then just to deepen that crease, I'm going to take the color Smooth Criminal, which is like this light brown color right here. It has like a hint of red, but I'm going to take that with another fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M513 brush. And just deepen the crease. After deepening the crease, I'm just going to take the same blending brush that I used for my transition shade just to blend out any sharp edges. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Prowl and I'm going to put that on my outer V. So I'm going to just take the Morphe M330 brush, this brush right here, and going to pack the outer V with this before I cut my crease. And I'm going to take the Smooth Criminal one more time and blend it up just a tad bit. Taking a little more of the crease color, which is Agent, and going to blend it. You just want to make sure that the outer V color is blended well into the crease. Now I'm just making sure that everything is blended seamlessly. So lightly blending that top, my smooth criminal into my agent color. After that, I'm going to take the excess color and a flat foundation brush with some concealer to cut my crease. So I'm using the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define this in the color C10. And this is what I'm going to cut my crease with. I'm going to let it dry and then I'm going to pack the color on. And as you're cutting it, you want to make sure that you continue to look down. So once it dries, you don't have any creases in that on the actual eyelid. Then you just want to make sure that this dries before you start packing color on it. I kind of think I made my crease a little too thick than what I normally do, but it's okay. After packing the color on, I'm going to take my outer V color and just blend the edges. I'm taking Smooth Criminal and blending out the top. Okay, now after doing the eyes, I'm going to highlight the bottom of my brow with the Anastasia collab with Rizzy. Then I'm just going to take my NYX liquid liner in the color black for my wing. Just taper up or go under my lash line. Do my foundation and then hop back on camera to do the lashes and my lips and everything else. So I'll see you guys in a second. And then I'm going to take the color Smooth Criminal and just put that as close to my waterline to smudge it out as possible. I'm going to take Agent with a little pencil brush and smudge out the bottom. I'm going to take my Hustle Baby by Rihanna for a highlight. And then I'm going to take my Lovejoy by MAC for a blush. And this is the color. If you haven't seen it already, I'm sure you have if you follow my YouTube or if you've been on my YouTube channel. That is like my all-time favorite blush. I absolutely love it. But anyways, I am done with the face. I'm just going to take my setting spray and spray my face one more time. The lashes that I'll be wearing is the cluster lashes. This is, wait, can you guys see this? Okay, so this is Salon Perfect lashes in the color or in the style 615. These are my all-time favorite cheap lashes that I wear all the time. They're only like $9 at Walmart for 5, so get hipped. And I'm going to place that on my lashes. Just coat my lashes with Better Than Sex mascara. After that, I'm just going to coat my bottom lashes. Alright beauty, so I just finished my hair and got dressed for today. I am going to my MAC pencil in the color Hoover outline my lips with this. And then I'm just going to take the Fenty Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb and wear that. I've been really liking this gloss lately. Is the finished look. The eyes. I really wanted it to be orange, not orange. Why do I keep saying orange? I really wanted it to be yellow. However, again, I just do not have a true yellow. And good thing it wasn't yellow because I was planning on wearing this sweater anyways. And I feel like this sweater matches it better than the yellow would. But yeah, I really like the look. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you have not already, why haven't you subscribed to my YouTube channel? Why haven't you? Is it because I'm not consistent? Well, boo, that will change for 2019. So you need to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want to continue to see my uploads. And if you want to be notified on every time I upload, make sure you press that bell button right next to this subscription button. And yeah, make sure you like this video and follow me on all of my social medias. I'll see you guys in my next video.